okay, another really quick video now. This is how to resize an image on Photoshop. If you've placed an image on Photoshop and you want to resize it, make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever, there are a few ways you can do that. First of all, easy way, hit Control and T on the keyboard. Try again, there we go, don't know why I didn't work first time. And then that will bring up your transform controls around the edge of your image. All you need to do is drag from the corner. Now, because we're on the new version of Photoshop, sorry, you do not need to hold Shift if you are resizing something on Photoshop. All right, if you do hold Shift, then it goes out of focus, or out of what's I'm looking for. Nope, can't think what it was. Never mind. So you don't need to hold Shift in proportion. That's what I'm looking for. All right, so you don't need to hold Shift. You can just resize it as and when you want to. Alternatively, you could just click Show Transform Controls at the top there, and that will always have the transform controls up for you at all times. Sometimes I think that way gets in the way a little bit, so I don't really like to have those on myself, but that's just me. That's it. That's how to resize an image. You've got other options that you can do as well if you don't want to. If you want to resize it, you go to Edit and you go to Transform. You've got all these different options of resizing certain parts of your image as well. So things like the rotation, skew it. So we'll see what skew does. There you go. That does stuff like that. Makes it look a little bit sort of 3D-ish in a way, give or take. Let's try some of the other ones, just see what they do for a laugh. Let's go for Distort. What does that do? Ah, cool. There you go. Makes his ginger fringe look even bigger. Oh, amazing. There you go. So you've got a few different options there, what you can do. Last one, maybe let's try Warp, because that one's the one that's a little bit sort of there we go. Do some weird stuff with that. Obviously, those bottom ones, we can make them dance. Look, there you go. That's cool. Anyway. Obviously those last ones are probably ones you're not going to use really, but the easy ones that you will need to resize an image, Control and T is the keyboard shortcut, T for transform, and then drag from the corner. You don't need to hold Shift, okay? Only on the old version you need to hold Shift, or you can just make sure you've got transform controls on at the top here. So nice, easy one, resizing an image, and a few other weird things as well. TRC Media